Get ready to discover 10 of the coolest gadgets you never knew you needed. From next-gen robotic helpers to revolutionary audio, these innovations are designed to make life easier and a whole lot smarter. Stick around because you won't want to miss these. Meet the Lymow 1 Robotic Lawnmower, your new best friend for effortless lawn care. Say goodbye to long hours spent mowing and let this smart robot do the work for you. Designed for large yards and tricky terrain, it's a breeze to set up with no need for boundary wires. This mower tackles grass like a pro, thanks to its lie-cut mulching system. The high-powered motors chop grass into fine clippings, making your lawn healthier without clogging. It can even handle slopes up to 45 degrees with ease. And with its smart multi-fusion navigation, combining V-slam and RTK positioning, it knows exactly where to mow with centimetre-level precision. The Lymow 1's 5 ultrasonic radars and bumper sensors ensure safe mowing around obstacles. Plus, its IPX4 waterproof rating means it's built for durability and easy cleaning. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to the charging dock and picks up right where it left off. Take control of your lawn with the Lymow 1 and enjoy more time relaxing while your yard stays perfectly manicured. The Fuse Audio GLD is a sleek and modern vertical vinyl player designed to turn your music into a visual masterpiece. Fuse Audio has crafted the GLD with a stunning mid-century modern design, wrapped in real ashwood tree veneer and finished with gold accents that make it a showpiece in any room. But it's not just about looks. The GLD delivers an incredible sound experience with its 36W external speakers, featuring a 1-inch tweeter and 4-inch woofer for crystal clear highs and rich, deep bass. Whether you're spinning your favorite 33, 45, or 78 RPM records, the Audio-Technica diamond-tipped cartridge ensures every note is captured with precision. The GLD also supports Bluetooth streaming, so you can seamlessly switch between your vinyl collection and your digital playlists. Whether it's in your living room, office, or studio, the GLD combines classic vinyl vibes with cutting-edge audio technology. Fuse Audio has truly blended timeless design with modern functionality. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? The Philips Sleep headphones with Kokoon are here to help. Designed for ultimate comfort and rest, these headphones are incredibly soft and slim, making them perfect for any sleeping position, even for side sleepers. With over a decade of research and data from thousands of users, Philips and Kokoon have engineered some of the world's thinnest sleep headphones. These buds use powerful biometric sensors and adaptive noise masking technology to create a personalized sound experience so you can drift off to sleep and stay asleep all night. Paired with the Kokoon app, these headphones do more than just play music. The AI-powered app becomes your personal sleep coach, analyzing your sleep patterns and offering advice to improve your rest. Plus, you can integrate your favorite podcasts or music apps directly into the experience. Ready to upgrade your sleep? With Philips Sleep headphones, you'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Looking for a laptop that's both sleek and powerful? The ASUS Zenbook S is your answer. This ultra-portable machine is just 1.1 centimeters thin and weighs a mere 1.2 kilograms, but is packed with serious tech, making it perfect for on-the-go professionals. Featuring a stunning 3K OLED touchscreen display and immersive sound, you'll enjoy vibrant visuals, whether you're working on creative projects or unwinding with a movie. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and 32 gigabytes of RAM, it definitely delivers superior performance. Plus, the 2,715 CNC machined cooling vents ensure it stays cool even during intense use. It features a dedicated Copilot key, which gives you instant access to AI-powered assistance, streamlining your work and making your experience more efficient. Also, with a high-capacity battery, you'll get all-day autonomy, so you can stay unplugged longer. Lightweight, stylish, and high-performing, the Zenbook S is the perfect blend of innovation and elegance. Transform your living room into a full-fledged home theatre with the Sony BRAVIA Theatre Quad. This system brings the true sound of cinema right to your living room with 360 spatial sound mapping, creating phantom speakers that envelop you in immersive cinema-style surround sound. No matter your room's layout, the flexible design lets you arrange the speakers with ease, and the dual-purpose stand allows for both table and wall mounting. The three-way speakers deliver crystal-clear highs, deep bass from the custom woofer, and an overhead up-firing speaker for a full audio experience. Setup is a breeze with BRAVIA Connect remote control, offering simple configuration and seamless wireless connectivity. Plus, for even more impact, you can add optional wireless subwoofers like the SASW5 and SASW3. What's more? The sound field optimization tailors the sound to your room, while Voice Zoom 3 ensures dialogue clarity, even in noisy environments. Sony's commitment to sustainability is evident with the use of recycled materials, making the BRAVIA Theatre Quad a sound investment for both your entertainment and the environment. The SNAPPY is designed to give you ultimate control and stability for both photography and videography. Whether you're capturing vertical shots or zooming in for those close-ups, SNAPPY's one-click shooting feature ensures you get the perfect shot every time. This compact portable grip includes a built-in fill light, keeping your subjects well lit even in low-light conditions. It also serves as a phone stand, making it perfect for video calls or streaming content hands-free. And with its digital zoom and Bluetooth remote control, you'll have all the tools you need for fast, stabilized shooting on the go. SNAPPY's ergonomic design isn't just about comfort, it's about extended performance. The battery grip provides extra power, ensuring your phone runs longer during intense photo or video sessions. Plus, it charges conveniently with a Type-C port, so you can stay powered up without missing a beat. Whether you're a content creator or just love snapping great photos, SNAPPY is the ultimate mobile accessory. Introducing the Dyson OnTrac headphones, featuring active noise cancellation, which adapts to your surroundings, ensuring an immersive listening experience. With 55 hours of battery life, you'll enjoy uninterrupted sound on the go. Plus, the sleek, customizable design lets you swap ear cups and plates to match your style. These high-quality headphones come with 40mm drivers for top-notch audio performance, offering rich, balanced sound and deep bass. Dyson engineered these from the ground up, blending tech and style seamlessly. The Revopoint MetroX 3D scanner is designed for precision and versatility, making it perfect for a wide range of professional 3D scanning applications. Whether you're scanning small intricate objects or larger surfaces, the MetroX has you covered. Featuring 14 cross-line lasers, the MetroX provides quick, accurate scans, even on reflective or dark surfaces. No need for scanning sprays. For detailed scans, switch to 7 parallel laser lines to capture even the smallest surface textures. The full-field blue light mode lets you capture objects with incredible detail, scanning at up to 7 million points per second. For smaller objects, the one-click auto turntable feature ensures precise, automated captures with accuracy down to 30 microns. Plus, with its built-in HDR RGB camera, you can bring your 3D scans to life in full color. All of this is backed by the user-friendly RevoScan software, where you can edit, merge, and export your scans in various formats. Whether you're into reverse engineering, 3D modeling, or additive manufacturing, the MetroX 3D scanner is your go-to tool for high-quality results every time. The TinyMaker open-source 3D printer, a compact powerhouse designed for makers and tinkerers alike. With dimensions of just 100 by 115 by 155 millimeters and weighing a mere 600 grams, it fits effortlessly into any workspace, no matter how small. Don't be fooled by its size, though. This little printer packs a punch with MSLA technology, utilizing an LCD screen to mask UV light and deliver high-precision prints. The print volume of 30.6 by 40.8 by 60 millimeters is perfect for small, intricate projects, with layer thicknesses ranging from 0.05 to 0.1 millimeters, ensuring detailed and smooth results every time. Plus, the open-source design allows users to join a vibrant community of creators and tweak the software and hardware to their liking, making it ideal for innovation and customization. The TinyMaker is energy efficient, using minimal power, and can even run on an external battery, making it portable for on-the-go creativity. Imagine having a living piece of nature right in your home, without the hassle of constant maintenance. Meet the Tile, a piece of nature where art meets sustainability. The Tile is designed to mimic natural ecosystems, allowing plants to thrive without soil. It uses a porous material that slowly releases water, keeping your plants hydrated with minimal effort. Crafted with aesthetics in mind, the Tile fits seamlessly on any wall, creating a living, breathing masterpiece. The grooves on its surface provide extra grip for plant roots, giving them stability while ensuring access to both air and water. Whether you want a single tile or a full green wall, its modular design makes it flexible and easy to expand. With its waterproof backing, there's no risk to your walls, and the front surface continuously drips water from one tile to the next. You can even reuse it as many times as you like, making it a sustainable addition to any home or office space. The Tile transforms your living area into a personal jungle, bringing nature indoors with style and functionality. Don't forget to browse our channel, like and subscribe for more cool tech. Thank you for watching.